guys, thank you. Hapa tunafanya home cleaning services. Tuna madirisha, tunaosha carpet, tunaosha viti, tunatoa kila kitu, vumbi kwa nyumba, everything. This is why we are here. Na tunafanya tunaitwa home cleaning services. Maua, tunaangalia madirisha, milango, ndani kwa nyumba tunaangalia carpets, tunauza hizo carpets, sofa set na kila kitu, kabati, kila mahali. Tunasafisha, tunatoa vumbi, kila kitu. So kama uko na kazi yoyote pale, uko wapi, we just call the number on the screen down there at Kito Smart KE ama at Kito Cleaning Services. Ndio, tuna clean, tunaangalia maua, tunaangalia planters na tunaangalia kila kitu. Manze, ukiwa na kitu pale basi tupigie.